Alright folks, we're here at Just Better Cars, 901 Riverside Avenue here in Roseville. 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. This one's gas, you guys. It's a four-wheel drive. It's got these running boards you can see. Nice steel wheels here. Tires are very good on it. It's got tow package, bed liner, tint windows with the split window back here. $70,000 and change on the miles, you guys. Four-wheel drive, power driver's chair. This thing's in really good shape, you guys. Once again, folks, 901 Riverside Avenue here in Roseville. Come on out and get this thing before somebody scoops it up. Thanks, bye.